Assalamu alaikum. Good morning class. Today is Friday 22nd January 2021. It's our GK period. Today is partially cloudy but sunny day. Today our topic is pet animals. Pet animals are also called the companion animals. We will kept in our homes for enjoyment, as a hobby, for entertainment. Some people like to have cats in their home. Some people likes dogs. Everyone have different hobbies. So let's start revision of pet animals. Are you ready? Okay, I am showing you flashcards. Which picture is this? Here is a picture of hen. Some people like to have hens, to put hens in their homes. Hen lay eggs. It's a pet animal. Okay, move towards our second flashcard. Here is a picture of cat. Here is a picture of cat. What is the sound of cat? Meow. What is the sound of cat? Okay, students, now it's your turn. Repeat the sound of cat. Okay, what is the color of cat? Cat are in different colors: white, brown, black. Or nowadays, I see a beautiful Persian cat which are grey in color. What is your favorite pet? Have you any pet in your home? Here is another pet. Which pet is this? Yes, here is a dog. Which pet is this? Here is a dog. What is the color of dog? Black, brown and white. What is the sound of dog? Very good. Have you afraid from dog? Yes, I also feel fear from dog. Do you like dogs? Okay, students, now I am showing you another flashcard. Which animal is this? Here is a cow. Cow gives us milk, meat. What is this? What is the color of cow? Some cows are white color, some are black and some are in brown colors. Mostly it is called a farm animals. Which animal is this? Here is a horse. Here is a horse. Horse is a pet animal or also a farm animals. People kept him as a hobby. It is a faithful animal. It is a faithful animal. It is also a farm animal. Okay, students, now I am showing you one more flashcard. Which animal is this? Here is a camel. Here is a camel. What is the color of camel? Brown. What is the color of camel? Brown. Have you ever seen camel? Yes. Camel has a hump. Camel has 4 legs and it's also a farm animal. Okay, students, revise it again. Camel, horse, dog, cat and hen. Okay, now you will tell me some other pet animals and farm animals name. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.